If you want to sign out of your Grammarly account, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. This is helpful if you're using a shared device, switching accounts, or just want to make sure that you've logged out properly for security. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, go to your Gamma dashboard and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to log out of. Once the dashboard loads, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see the sign out option there. Go ahead and click sign out. After that, a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to leave the account. This is just a safety step to make sure you don't log out by accident. To finish, select signed out again to confirm, and that's it. You've successfully signed out of your Grammarly account. It only takes a moment, but it's always a good habit to log out when you're done, especially if you're on a public or shared computer. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.